In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a question in Google Forms. Whether you're new to Google Forms or just looking to streamline your survey-making process, understanding how to remove unnecessary or outdated questions can be a game changer. This can help you keep your forms tidy, relevant, and to the point. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. Make sure that you're signed into the appropriate Google account that contains the form you wish to edit. Once you're logged in and on the Forms homepage, you'll see a list of your most recent forms. Select the specific form where you want to delete a question. Once the form is open, you'll see all the existing questions laid out in front of you. Take a moment to skim through and identify the question you wish to remove. This should be the one that no longer serves the purpose of your survey or needs to be removed for any particular reason. Hover your cursor over the question you've identified for deletion. When you do this, you'll notice a set of icons appears in the question's upper right corner. Look for the trash can icon, which is the symbol for delete. Click on this icon to remove the question. It's important to note that once you delete a question, it cannot be undone immediately, so ensure that this is indeed the action you wish to take before proceeding. If at any point you're unsure about deleting the question or need to make a few more changes before doing so, feel free to pause and make adjustments. Remember, Google Forms automatically saves changes, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress as you make these alterations. Now, let's briefly touch upon a useful tip. It's a good idea to preview your form before finalizing any significant changes. To do this, click on the eye-shaped preview icon at the top of the page. This allows you to see the form from a respondent's perspective and ensures everything looks as it should before anyone else views it. Once you've confirmed that the question is removed and the form looks great, you can click the Send button at the top of the page to share your modified form. You have various options to distribute it, such as through a direct link or by embedding it into a web page. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted an unnecessary question from your Google form, enhancing its clarity and focus. As you continue using Google Forms, consider revisiting your forms periodically to ensure they remain concise and efficient. This helps maintain engagement and encourages better responses from your participants. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Forms.